Labor Day is a remarkable day being recognized as a day for workers all over the world. It is also known as May Day or International Workers' Day. This day is initiated when human laboring is seen to be widely practiced in the world. Labor Day has been declared an official holiday in 24 states. This year, today, Kiribati has recognized this a public holiday.
The theme for the National Workers' Day is adapting to and sustaining safety and security in the workplace. Meaning in Kiribati, katime tuan awarkuan tetararwa, makatika meno tabur matu.
The International Labor Day, in a non-tinga when the Pupua when the Wing. Monobong in Dinamaka September, count the Bay Labor Satanica Makuri. You don't want to car in America, Chicago. I might say camp for a million, or I might say cake walking a baby. Couldn't tell when you can find Kirinaki. The Ministry of Employment and Human Resources in Horakakawakina. Let's sing this song to those laborers. We'll stand and salute to them. Let's sing along, happy Labor Day. Let's raise the flag for now. On the divisions, the Labor Division, MTZ, KIT, on the song H. Oh, in the paya, Katanayam, Namakuri. Karekian namakuri, o kamenuam menamakuri. Ngayeri ang aroy taningam. Ngkoy de Kiribati, hoginaroy. Ang tabo na karikira karo. Pa tatapo, harikokan na kone makuri ay. Hey nareke, how in a mellow. This song to those laborers. Let's send a salute to them. Let's sing along. In the Meurio, there I the tapamo, Menakawak in the Suara, in a Menayor, in Dinagon get in a Menayor, and I had Tani Makuria Tani Kamakuri, and a Tangira Asuara, in a Nonara Taye, O Sinakarabaya kind of town, take a Menaki Kapopunga, Kanuan Narabung, do you go and dig but the public holiday? Naya is Nataraya Bakanga, has a Labor Day, it's a Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, it's a Labor Day, it's a Labor Day, oh yeah. Happy Labor Day, happy Labor Day, I'm on a bond. Happy Labor Day, happy Labor Day, we're going to go into the Daga. Happy Labor Day, happy Labor Day, private sector. Happy Labor Day, happy Labor Day, happy Labor Day, yeah.